Have you ever wished your refractometer could give you perfectly accurate readings without squinting, holding it up to the light, or doing math for alcohol correction? Well, your wish just came true. This is the Anton Paar SmartRef, a digital refractometer that reads with pinpoint accuracy. No eyepiece, no flashlight, and it even corrects for alcohol right in the Brewmeister app. In this video, I'll walk you through how to set it up, how to use it, and why it's one of the most versatile tools in brewing and mead making. Unlike a traditional refractometer, SmartRef displays results instantly on your phone through the free Brewmeister or Winemeister app. No awkward angles, no reading lines on a scale, just clear digital numbers you can store, export, or share. It works with just 0.4 milliliters of sample, just a few drops, and it reads in seconds. Inside, high-quality optics and smart software push the accuracy further than a standard refractometer. And it's IP66 rated for dust and water resistance. The stainless steel sample well rinses clean in seconds. And it's not just for beer, wort, or mead must. You can measure salinity in saltwater aquariums, sugar content in fruit, moisture in honey, total dissolved solids in coffee, and more than 40 other measurement modes in total. So let's get it set up. Download the Brewmeister and Winemeister app for iOS or Android. Turn on Bluetooth and power on the SmartRef and tap Connect. Once it's paired, you can pick your settings, Fahrenheit or Celsius, specific gravity, Brix, alcohol corrected readings, and more. It's worth taking a minute to choose the best settings for brewing. Most brewers and mead makers use Celsius for temperature. It matches most calculators and yeast specs. For readings, specific gravity is the most common, but you can switch to Brix or Plato if your recipe calls for it. If you regularly work with wort or must, turn on wort correction to make unfermented readings more accurate. Later in fermentation, turn on alcohol correction so the SmartRef automatically adjusts for the alcohol in your sample. In the settings, you can choose how the measurements start. Continuous mode. SmartRef measures continuously, while quick mode waits until you tap Start Measurement. Many prefer quick mode so the sample is settled on the lens before reading. The difference between those possibilities is that the quick mode takes one single measurement. The continuous mode instead measures as long as you click on Save. Standard, a general correction for wort or must and alcohol, is great for most brewing situations. Sean Tyrrell formula based on homebrewer Sean Tyrrell's research, especially accurate for post-fermentation beer and mead. No correction leaves the reading raw, perfect if you want to apply your own calculations or you're missing something other than wort or must. Wort correction fixes the inflated Brix reading caused by solids in unfermented wort or must, while alcohol correction adjusts for how alcohol changes the refractive index, giving you true final gravity without extra math. Before your first reading, you'll need to zero the device. Add a few drops of distilled water to the sensor. Open the app, tap the three dots in the top right, and select Zero Adjustment. Tap Start Adjustment, and wait for adjusting to finish. And then you'll see the adjustment of your SmartRef was successful. Dry the lens, and now you're ready. To measure, add a few drops of your wort or must to the lens. Tap Start Measurement, and in seconds you'll see the result. For fermented beer or mead, you can use the alcohol correction setting. Or if you're using the SmartRef alongside the EasyDens, you can get incredibly accurate ABV and real extract results. We'll get into that pairing in detail in the next video. SmartRef is quick, reliable, and incredibly versatile. It's a huge upgrade from a traditional refractometer, and it works in dozens of applications beyond brewing, and it fits right into your phone-based brew log. If you want accuracy without the hassle, the SmartRef delivers. And once you use it, you'll never go back to the old way. To watch the EasyDens and SmartRef videos, click the link in the description or one of the videos right over here.